The fight for playoffs here. They will go on to number 2 in the points table. Haryana Steelers have confirmed their spot in the playoffs. Manjeet with the long limbs and the long arms and the long reach, and he has the first point for you, Mumbai, on the night.
Who right now are at the bottom half of the table, but the story is still firmly in their control.
Talking about control, the control belongs to you, Mumbai, at the moment. The story of do or die is quicker than the blink of an eye. The question is, who will say goodbye? At the moment, this is what speed does. It creates a ruckus in the defense.
Was livid at his partner in that chain tackle. That'll be another point for you, Mumbai. Take a look at this. I'll come back to something that I wanted to ask you, what we just saw. Between the two coaches, he jumps, he leaps, he falls, he lands with a thud. Ronnie Struwala is a happy man. His team means business.
I mean, the team will not have success. When they started rather well. 1 versus 2. Now this is, look at this. You talking about being disoriented? This is the mightiest moment of them all. This is a gigantic raid because this is a 4-pointer. They've cleaned the house.
Coming off a brilliant performance in that game against the Giants. Now Shafagi opens his account. That's 3 points on the trot for the Thalaiwas, Paddy. A few paces. It has an effect, and look at that. Tamil Thalaiwas, Paddy, it was 9-0, and in a flash, the scoreline now reads 9-5. And the raw super tackle will be on for you, Mumbai. Look how tables have turned. Look how they're changing. He drags.
In the last 2-3 minutes, it has changed dramatically. Off he goes. What would that mean? That would mean all out. All out, yes. This is what we were talking about. They've changed their decision again.
Oh man, that was a karate kick. That was a proper martial art kick. A roundhouse kick on that right corner. And that is 2 points for Ajit Chauhan. This could go to easily 9. I think it will. That defense. Parvesh may be resurrecting himself, redeeming himself.
Oh, another all out.
Mumbai could go to 60. Ajit Chauhan. That's terrific speed. The speed boots coming in handy.
This is not a do or die for you. It is for the Raider. He has to come deep. Now the combo. Parvesh and Sunil. One in the lower body, other one on the top. Together, oh, they kill. Look at the agility, look at the reverse kick. He becomes a left raider, becomes a right raider, and now off he goes. It is the nemesis that gets rid of him. Play smart kabaddi from here on. Okay, now one falls, but only one falls. Nobody else joins in. And that could be the mantra for them. But it's a big one. It's an all-rounder who goes to the bench. Zafar Danish. Because he's always hungry for points. And you can understand that. No. Off he goes. He picks up a bonus as well, is what he's asking for. Will he get it? I think he will.
He's a great second fiddle. Not so much in that raid. How many has he picked up?
Points you, Mumbai.
And now he's ready. Himanshu is the one who he has to make sure that he stays. Himanshu goes for him. He'll carry him down to the midline. One active player standing on the mat for Tamil Thalaiwas now. They faltered, you, Mumbai. Patience, calm is the best balm. Stay quiet. Silence is better than unnecessary drama. Oh, well done, you, Mumbai. Well done, you, Mumbai.
Saurabh Pagare will pick up the bonus point, and then they surrender. The score difference will also jump.
1 point,
Another
you,
point. They're
Number
all
77
delirious.
out.
They're happy. Such a long time. They've spent time on the bench. Do or die raid.
2 points.
Final few seconds.
Number 11 and number 5 out.
Look at those two. He has been the find of the season for Tamil
Bonus point, you,
Thalaiwas.
Mumbai.
But that will be it. For once, you, Mumbai, put on the most dominant,
Match over.
the most convincing, and the most complete performance. The biggest win of the season.